Today I'm going to be placing some things in the ground that I received from a seed swap that I went to like 2 weekends ago, and they had a little grab bag, and you could, I didn't know, I looked in it when I got it, and it had shallots, onions, and potatoes. So I'm going to place those things in the ground today. Mind you, the onions said plant ASAP. Like I said, today is the 25th, and I got those like 2 weeks ago. So like the first Saturday in March is when I got those. So I need to put those in the ground and hopefully they'll do well. And they're bulbing onions. It's an onion called, I think, a Thompson onion. So I'm gonna do that and hopefully I'll have some success. But it was free, so I don't, feel too badly if they don't work out. But if they do, that would be awesome. All right, let's go. Okay guys, I just want to break up the soil in this area right here because this is where I plan to put the bulbing onions that I received from the seed swap. So yeah, the ground is pretty compact, and I just want to, just give it the best opportunity with some loose soil when I plant them. I went to a seed swap 2 weekends ago, and they had like a grab bag where you could get this. And inside the bag were some onions. And mind you, I said 2 weekends ago I went. It says plant ASAP. Well, this is my first available day to do it. And it is Patterson onions. And it says that these, I looked it up, and it says that these are long day onions. Well, I'm in an intermediate day zone. So it kind of can work. I'm like, there was this bag, and it had some shallots. There are four little shallot bulbs in there. I'm gonna plant those. And it also had some potatoes. Okay, you can't see them. But they're potatoes, and it didn't say what type of potatoes they were. But I have 1, 2, 3. There's 6 potatoes in here. And they're nice and chitted. I'm like, I'm gonna plant these 3 items today. Right here in this bed, I'm gonna put these onions. Like, and these are some tiny ones. I may put these in pots, I don't know. And I'm gonna just lightly cover them. And these are bulbing onions. I don't want them to be too close. Okay, this one is a dud. It's dry and just the insides are just, like dust. So I now feel that I should check this next one because it feels kind of soft also. And I don't know why I'm peeling this away and investigating it like this. I mean, I guess I feel there's something in there that could possibly grow. But as of right now, it looks like I have only 2 viable shallots. But we'll see if the third one does anything. I've decided to plant the smaller onions in these 2 pots here. They're only 6 really tiny ones, so I'm gonna put 3 per pot. And this is a super tiny one. But, it was free, and I'm just going to make an attempt and see if it grows. If it doesn't, oh well. And just do the same thing over here in this other pot. I'm very pleased that there was an even number because I really like symmetry. So this works out perfectly that I am able to plant 3 per pot. Hopefully they produce. Okay, now the potatoes are gonna get planted up. And like I said earlier, I have 6 potatoes, so I'm gonna do 3 per container. In this container right here, I have some scarlet kale, and I'm gonna let those 2 plants go to seed because I don't have many seeds left from that. So the potatoes are gonna hang out with the scarlet kale while she goes to seed. And here's the next container. And in this one, I just have some small garlic cloves that I planted last season. So that's what those 2 plants are. And I have some bachelor's button that I threw some seeds down in there for that. So it's quite a little compilation of things going on in this box or container here. Now I'm making sure that everybody gets a drink of water. I'm gonna water both the containers. This one looks really barren, but we'll get some growth on it soon, hopefully, when the potatoes start to show up. And the bachelor's button. And now I'm back to the onions and shallots that I have in there. So yeah, everybody got watered up, and I've gotten all my seed swap things in the ground. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and let me know what you think.